Here we need to simplify log of 10 plus log of 100 plus log of 1000 plus log of 10,000. So let's rewrite the given logarithmic expression as log of 10 plus log of 100. So 100 can be also written as 10 squared plus log of 1000. So that will be log of 10 cubed. And log of 10,000 will be log of 10 raised to the power of 4. Next, we are going to use a property that log of a raised to the power of b, that's the same as saying b times log of a. So we can use this property to apply it to the second, third and the fourth term. So we will get log of 10 plus 2 times log of 10 plus 3 times log of 10 plus 4 times log of 10. Now all these four terms are equivalent, so that means we can add them up to give us, we have 1 log 10 plus 2 log 10, that will be 3 log 10. 3 log 10 plus 3 will give us 6 log 10 plus 4 log 10 will give us 10 times log 10. Now whenever the base is not given, it is assumed that we have a base of 10. And we know the property that log of a to the base of a, so that value is also equals to 1. And in our case, our a value is 10, so log of 10 to the base of 10, this is going to be equals to 1. So that means the value of log 10 plus log 100 plus log 1000 plus log 10,000, this simplifies to give us simply 10.